Hey, wealthy people. Ever wondered if it's possible to hit millionaire status even with a regular paycheck? Well, get ready because we're about to uncover the secrets. As the famous millionaire Jim Rohn once said, formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. And that's what we're diving into, a self-education in wealth building on a modest income. In this video, we're diving into the secrets and strategies that can help turn this dream into reality. We'll explore the 5 essential steps to becoming a millionaire even with a low salary. From budgeting smartly and investing wisely, to exploring additional income streams and managing debt, these steps are the keys to unlock financial freedom. Join us on this exciting journey, where we'll unravel practical tips and insights from renowned financial books like The Total Money Makeover, The Simple Path to Wealth, Side Hustle, From Idea to Income in 27 Days, Debt-Free Degree, and Rich Dad Poor Dad. So buckle up. Get ready to discover the roadmap to becoming a millionaire on an ordinary paycheck. It's time to turn dreams of financial freedom into achievable goals, step by step. Let's jump in and uncover how you can pave your way towards the Millionaire Club, starting today. Are you ready to transform your financial future? Let's embark on this journey together. Chapter 1: Budgeting and Expense Management. Budgeting isn't just about math, it's about making choices. Imagine your money as workers. You're the boss, and your job is to allocate them to the right places. That's what budgeting is all about. Telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. As Dave Ramsey said in his book, The Total Money Makeover, a budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. According to a survey by the Federal Reserve, almost 40% of Americans don't have enough savings to cover a $400 emergency expense. It's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. This is where living below your means becomes crucial. It's not just a saying, it's a practical strategy for financial success. By tracking your expenses meticulously, you'll identify where every dollar is going. Whether it's that daily cup of coffee or subscriptions you hardly use, these small leaks can sink your financial ship. This principle aligns with Ramsey's advice. You must gain control over your money, or the lack of it will forever control you. Think of a budget as your financial roadmap. It gives you a clear direction, helps set priorities, and prevents overspending. It's about making intentional choices with your money. And remember, it's not about depriving yourself. It's about aligning your spending with your values and goals. One study by Harvard Business School found that people who create detailed budgets are more likely to achieve their financial goals. It's empowering to take charge of your finances rather than letting them control you. When you allocate funds wisely, you're essentially giving every dollar a purpose. It's like having an organized toolbox. You know where each tool is and why you need it. This mindset shift transforms the way you view and manage your money. Ramsey beautifully states, personal finance is 80% behavior and only 20% head knowledge. Budgeting doesn't mean cutting out all the fun. It's about being intentional with your spending. Set aside a portion for enjoyment, guilt-free. Budgeting also helps in planning for the future, whether it's for a vacation, buying a house, or retirement. It's about being proactive rather than reactive with your finances. You might think budgeting is restricting, but it's actually freeing. It provides a sense of control and peace of mind. As Ramsey rightly puts it, financial peace isn't the acquisition of stuff. It's learning to live on less than you make, so you can give money back and have money to invest. In summary, budgeting isn't about creating restrictions. It's about creating possibilities. It's the foundation upon which your financial freedom is built. Start small, stick to it, and watch how taking charge of your money transforms your life. Chapter 2: Invest early and consistently. Investing can seem intimidating, but it's like planting a seed that grows into a tree. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. J.L. Collins in The Simple Path to Wealth likened investing to planting oak trees. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Compound interest is the secret sauce in growing your wealth. It's like a snowball effect. Your money earns money, and that money earns more money. Over time, it can snowball into a substantial amount. Albert Einstein referred to compound interest as the eighth wonder of the world. Studies have shown that those who start investing in their 20s versus their 30s could potentially have twice as much money at retirement. Even a small amount invested consistently can make a significant difference over time. You don't need a large sum to start investing. The key is consistency. It's like planting seeds regularly. Eventually, you'll have a beautiful garden. As Collins says, the hardest part of investing is sticking with it through tough times. Low-cost index funds and ETFs are like a diversified basket of investments. They offer a simple and effective way to invest without the hassle of picking individual stocks. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors, recommends index funds for the average investor. Fees can eat into your investment returns. By choosing low-cost options, you're keeping more of your returns. Collins emphasizes the importance of keeping fees minimal, stating, "The magic is not in the returns, but in the avoidance of the losses." Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term game. It's about staying invested even during market fluctuations. Time in the market is more important than timing the market. As Collins wisely notes, stay the course. No matter what happens, stick to your program. Diversification is like not putting all your eggs in one basket. It spreads your risk. By investing in various assets, you're better positioned to weather market ups and downs. This principle aligns with the advice of Jack Bogle, the founder of Vanguard. Don't look for the needle in the haystack, just buy the haystack. In conclusion, investing early and consistently doesn't require a finance degree. It requires discipline and patience. It's about starting small, staying the course, and letting time and compound interest work their magic in growing your wealth. Chapter 3. Increase your income streams. Sometimes your salary alone might not be enough to achieve your financial goals. That's where the idea of multiple income streams comes in. Chris Guillebeau, in Side Hustle, From Idea to Income in 27 Days, emphasizes that side hustles or extra income sources can significantly boost your overall earnings. A side hustle isn't just about making extra money, it's about leveraging your skills and passions to create opportunities. Whether it's freelancing, tutoring, selling crafts online, or starting a small business, there are countless possibilities to explore. Statistics show that over 44 million Americans have a side hustle. This trend isn't just about earning more, it's about gaining financial security and pursuing passions. Your side hustle can turn into a profitable venture with dedication and perseverance. Technology has made it easier than ever to start a side hustle. The internet provides a vast marketplace where you can sell products, offer services, or create content. You don't necessarily need a huge initial investment. Often, all you need is determination and creativity. Your side hustle can complement your main job, providing a safety net in uncertain times. It also offers a chance to diversify your income sources, reducing dependency on one paycheck. As Guillebeau rightly says, a side hustle is more than just another stream of income. It's also an opportunity to redefine what's possible. Starting a side hustle might mean sacrificing some leisure time initially, but the rewards can be significant in the long run. Many successful businesses and ventures began as side projects that grew over time. A side hustle isn't just about making money. It's about learning new skills, gaining experience, and expanding your network. It's a journey of personal growth and discovery. Guillebeau emphasizes, every side hustle is an opportunity to improve your skills and potentially change your life. It's essential to choose a side hustle that aligns with your interests and abilities. Passion fuels perseverance, making it more likely that you'll stick with it and find success. As they say, choose a job you love, and you will never have to work a day in your life. In summary, exploring additional income streams through side hustles not only increases your earning potential, but also offers a chance for personal and professional development. It's about turning your skills and hobbies into profitable ventures and opening new doors to financial freedom. Chapter 4. Debt Reduction and Smart Debt Management. Debt can feel like a heavy weight holding you back from financial freedom. However, adopting strategies for debt reduction and smart management can be a game changer. In Debt-Free Degree, Anthony O'Neill shares strategies to manage student loans and avoid unnecessary debt, freeing up income for savings and investments. Student loan debt in the U.S. has surpassed $1.7 trillion, impacting millions of young adults. But being proactive about repayment strategies can significantly ease this burden. O'Neill emphasizes the importance of planning and budgeting to tackle these loans strategically. Paying off high-interest debts first, commonly known as the debt avalanche method, can save you money on interest in the long run. It's like stopping a leak before it becomes a flood. O'Neill's advice echoes this sentiment: attack high-interest debt aggressively. Consolidating high-interest debts into a lower-interest loan can also be a smart move. It streamlines payments and may reduce the overall interest burden. Understanding the terms and conditions of consolidation is vital to ensure it's beneficial in the long term. Avoiding unnecessary debt is equally crucial. It's tempting to buy things we don't need with money we don't have. But distinguishing between needs and wants is key to avoiding unnecessary debt. As O'Neill advises, live like no one else, so later you can live and give like no one else. Credit cards often come with high interest rates. Using them responsibly, paying the balance in full each month, can help build credit without incurring debt. It's like using a tool without getting hurt. It's all about control. Developing a habit of saving and setting up an emergency fund can prevent falling back on credit cards during unexpected expenses. It's about creating a safety net for unforeseen situations. O'Neill highlights the importance of this, stating, "An emergency fund is what's going to keep you out of debt when life happens." Changing your mindset about debt is crucial. It's not about avoiding debt at all costs, but about using it wisely. Understanding the difference between good debt, like a mortgage or education, and bad debt, like high-interest consumer loans, is essential. In conclusion, smart debt management involves strategic planning, prioritizing repayments, and avoiding unnecessary debt. By adopting these practices, you can take control of your financial future and pave the way toward a debt-free and financially secure life. Chapter 5: Continuous Learning and Financial Education. Learning about personal finance and investment strategies isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing journey. Investing in your financial education can be as impactful as investing money itself. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki shed light on wealth building and asset acquisition, changing perspectives on financial success. Financial literacy levels around the world remain alarmingly low. According to the Standard & Poor's Rating Services Global Financial Literacy Survey, around 2/3 of adults worldwide fail to grasp fundamental financial concepts. Continuous learning bridges this gap. Reading books on finance and attending seminars or workshops can be eye-opening. They provide insights into money management, investing, and building wealth. Kiyosaki emphasizes this, saying, "The more you learn, the more you earn." Educating yourself about personal finance empowers you to make informed decisions. You'll better understand investment options, risks, and opportunities. It's about taking control of your financial destiny rather than leaving it to chance. Online courses and podcasts offer accessible ways to learn about finance. They cater to various learning styles and schedules, making financial education convenient and engaging. As Kiyosaki suggests, don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. Understanding the language of money, such as terms like assets, liabilities, and net worth, is crucial. It's like learning a new language. The more fluent you become, the better you can navigate the financial landscape. Networking with like-minded individuals who are also on their financial journey can be invaluable. It provides opportunities to learn from others' experiences and share knowledge. As Kiyosaki notes, the richest people in the world look for and build networks. Everyone else looks for work. Continuous learning isn't just about theory. It's about applying knowledge practically. It's about taking small steps towards financial goals, learning from mistakes, and adapting strategies along the way.